Welcome to our channel. Activating your Paramount Plus subscription is straightforward and gets you streaming quickly. Follow these steps to begin. Step 1. Visit the Paramount Plus website at paramountplus.com or download the Paramount Plus app on your streaming device, smartphone, or tablet. Step 2. Click on Try It Free or sign up if you're new to the service. If you already have an account, click Sign In and enter your credentials. Step 3. Choose your subscription plan. Paramount Plus offers different tiers, including an ad-supported plan and an ad-free premium plan. Step 4. Create an account by entering your email address and creating a secure password. Make sure to use a password that's unique and strong. Step 5. Provide your payment information to complete the subscription process. You'll need to enter a valid credit card or debit card even if starting with a free trial. Step 6. Review your subscription details including the plan price and when your free trial ends if applicable. Confirm your subscription by clicking Subscribe or Start Free Trial. Step 7. Once subscribed, you'll be taken to the Paramount Plus homepage where you can browse the content library, explore movies, shows, live sports, and news. Step 8. Start watching by selecting any title that interests you. You can create profiles for different family members and set up parental controls if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.